India and the world. We live in a diverse world. There are about 195 countries, out of which India is the 7th largest country in the world. Let us know more about India and the world around us. Famous festivals. 1. Snow and Ice Festival, China. The Harbin Festival is the largest snow and ice festival in the world. It features ice carvings over 20 feet in height and full-size buildings made from gigantic blocks of ice. 2. Holi, India. Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, is celebrated at the end of winter and the beginning of spring. 3. Songkran Water Festival, Thailand. Songkran is Thailand's most famous festival. This water festival marks the beginning of the traditional Thai New Year. 4. Diwali, India. Diwali, or the Festival of Lights, is usually celebrated in October or November. It is a 5-day Hindu festival that celebrates the victory of good over evil. 5. Lantern Festival, Taiwan. Lantern Festival is a Chinese festival celebrated on the 15th day of the first month in the Chinese calendar. It marks the final day of the traditional Chinese New Year celebrations. 6. Rio Carnival, Brazil. Carnival is an annual festival in Brazil. It is held 4 days before Ash Wednesday, the day of fasting and repentance that marks the beginning of Lent. 7. Tomorrowland, Belgium. Tomorrowland is an electronic dance music festival held in Boom, Belgium tomorrow, and was first held in 2005 and since then has become one of the world's largest and most notable music festivals. 8. Carnival of Venice, Italy. The Carnival of Venice is an annual festival held in Venice, Italy. The festival, world famous for its elaborated masks. 9. Coachella, California. The Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival is an annual music and arts festival held at the Empire Polo Club in Indio, California. 10. White Nights Festival, Russia. It consists of a series of classical ballet, opera and music events and includes performances by Russian dancers, singers, musicians and actors, as well as famous international guest stars. Famous dances and music. 1. Bollywood dance, India. Bollywood dance is a dance form that is heavily used in Indian Bollywood film. Numerous styles are used in executing this dance form. Indian classical dance styles like Kathak, Indian folk belly dancing, jazz, Western popular and more. 2. Ballet, Russia. It is an artistic dance form that is performed on music. The steps of Russian ballet demand high levels of precision and formality. 3. Break dance, United States. Break dancing, also known as b-boying or breaking, is a street dance style that is highly popular among the youth in the United States and many other parts of the world. 4. Bhangra, India. The Bhangra is a dance form that originated in the Punjab region of India and is associated with fun and flamboyance. 5. Tango, Argentina. Tango is a partner dance that is associated with style and expressiveness. 6. Salsa, Cuba. Salsa originated in New York City as a social dance form. The movements of salsa can trace their origins to cha-cha-cha, mambo and Cuban son as well as other dance forms. Some traditional foods. Sushi, Japan. Chocolate, Mexico. Peking duck, China. Hamburger, Germany. Rendang, Indonesia. Donuts, United States. Lasagna, Italy. Bunny chow, South Africa. Ankimo, Japan. Maple syrup, Canada. Chili crab, Singapore. French toast, Hong Kong. Seafood paella, Spain. Potato chips, United Kingdom. Masala dosa, India. Some traditional dresses. Kilts, Scotland. Sari, India. Tract, Germany. Herero women, Namibia. Maasai beadwork, Kenya. Balinese temple dress, Indonesia. Go, Bhutan. Kimono, Japan. Coffee, France. Famous monuments. Statue of Liberty, New York, USA. The Eiffel Tower, Paris, France. St. Basil's Cathedral, Moscow, Russia. Blue Dome Church, Santorini, Greece. The Great Sphinx, Giza, Egypt. Machu Picchu, Peru. Big Ben, London, UK. Tower of Pisa, Italy. Christ, the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Burj Al Arab Hotel, Dubai. Loch Ness, Scotland. Mont Street, France. Hagia Sophia, Istanbul, Turkey. Grand Castle, Transylvania, Romania. Brandenburg Gate, Berlin, Germany. Famous personalities. Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States. He preserved the Union during the U.S. Civil War and brought about the emancipation of slaves. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, founder of the Missionaries of Charity, was a Roman Catholic nun dedicated to helping the poor. Recognized as one of the 20th century's greatest humanitarian, she was canonized as Saint Teresa of Calcutta in 2016. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela became the first black president of South Africa in 1994, serving until 1999. A symbol of global peacemaking, he won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German-born physicist who developed the general theory of relativity. He is considered as one of the most influential physicists of the 20th century. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is a leading Indian politician and the current Prime Minister of India. He is known for leading his party, Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, to a historic win in 2014 elections. Saina Nehwal. An India badminton player currently ranked number 1 in the world by the Badminton World Federation and is the first Indian woman to achieve this feat. Mary Kom. She is the only Indian woman boxer to qualify for the 2012 Summer Olympics and a 5-time World Amateur Boxing Champion, yet remains surprisingly serene and philosophical about her achievements. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar holds the world record for the most runs and centuries in both Test and ODI cricket. He was awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's highest sporting honour, in 1997-98. Countries and their capital. Afghanistan, Kabul. Australia, Canberra. Bangladesh, Dhaka. Bhutan, Thimphu. Brazil, Brasilia. Canada, Ottawa. China, Beijing. Denmark, Copenhagen. Egypt, Cairo. France, Paris. India, New Delhi. Iraq, Baghdad. Italy, Rome. Japan, Tokyo. Mexico, Mexico City. Nepal, Kathmandu. Pakistan, Islamabad. Russia, Moscow. Singapore, Singapore. Spain, Madrid. Sri Lanka, Sri Jayawardhanepura Kotte. Thailand, Bangkok. United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. United Kingdom, London. United States of America, Washington, D.C. National symbols of India. National flag. The national flag consists of tricolor saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom, and Ashoka Chakra in the center. National emblem. The national emblem is the lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath. National anthem. Jana Gana Man. The anthem was composed by Ravindranath Tagore. National song. Vande Mataram. The song was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It was adopted as national song in 1950. National flower. Lotus is the national flower. It is the representation of purify. National fruit. Mango, also known as the king of fruits, is the national fruit of India. National river. Ganga is the national and the longest river of the country. National tree. The Indian banyan is the national tree. National bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. National animal. The tiger, known as the Lord of the Jungle, is the national animals. Neighboring countries of India. India is located latitudinally in the northern hemisphere and longitudinally in the eastern hemisphere. India shares its border with 9 countries, out of which Sri Lanka and Maldives are 2 countries with water bodies. 1. Pakistan. Pakistan was divided into 2 territories, West Pakistan lying on northwest of India and East Pakistan. Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Punjab share their borders with Pakistan. 2. China. China lies to the north of India and shares its borders with the Indian states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. 3. Nepal. In northeast of India lies Nepal, which is country located in the Himalayas. 4. Bangladesh. India and Bangladesh share one of longest borders in the world. Indian states of Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and West Bengal touch the border of Bangladesh. 5. Bhutan. The Kingdom of Bhutan shares a borders with the Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Assam and West Bengal. 6. Myanmar, Burma. It is situated in East Asia with a coastline along Bay of Bengal. The Indian states of Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur share the borders with Burma. 7. Afghanistan. It is another neighboring country of India located in the Central Asia. 8. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka lies near the southern area of India and is separated by Palk Strait. 9. Maldives. It is located in the southwest of India.